Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to create a breakout room on Zoom using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, you want to open your browser and search for zoom.us. And now just go ahead and log in your account or sign up. I'm just going to go ahead and sign up. And now just go ahead and type your birth year, email address, like that. But if you want to log in or sign up with Google or Apple or SSO or Facebook, just go ahead and click on that. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Google so that I can show you the tutorial. We can start on the tutorial. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Create account. So now what I want you to do is to click here on advanced at the left side of your screen. I'm sorry, the settings. Okay, just you want to click on settings and now click on in meeting advanced and you want to enable breakout room. So it allows hosts to split meeting participants into separate smaller rooms. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead and click on meetings here again at the navigation area at the left side of the screen. Now click on schedule a meeting. Now you want to type the topic, when is the meeting, the duration, time zone, template, security. So just go ahead and click save when you're happy with that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start the conference, okay, or the meet. So let's just wait for it. I'm sorry, right here. So it's updating. So again, let's just wait. Now it's done. So now here I'm on the conference, right? And so as you can see at the lower part of the Zoom grid, you can see the breakout rooms option. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can create, sorry, there's a window that will pop up and you can create, I don't, any, um, how many breakout rooms that you want. Also, you can choose if you're gonna go ahead and write two, sorry, and you can choose assign automatically, assign manually, or let participants choose the room. Okay, and now just go ahead and click on create. And here, if you want to assign any participants, just go ahead and click on assign here. And if you want to add a room, just go ahead and click add room. here at the options, you can also change the options or settings of your rooms. Now, I want you to click on Open All Rooms, and now you can start your conference, and you can join the room by clicking Join here at the right side of every room that you have. So that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to create a breakout Zoom, breakout conference on Zoom using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.